In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free stand in Please Donate. So first up, you want to exit out of Please Donate, and here in your Roblox studio you want to search for Make a Wish and press enter. Then you want to load up this game, Make a Wish, with a little rainbow icon. So just enter it. It's going to take a little bit of time to load up, but you will get the option to skip after a little bit. So here just simply press on skip, and we want to go somewhere that's not fully crowded, so around here. So in the chat you want to type booth or stand, whichever one works for you. So right here I wished for a booth, nothing's happened. So if I wish for a stand, as you can see it works. Sometimes booth works, sometimes stand works. So after that you want to click on this button right here, the little green button, and then after this has popped up, you want to type Robux and keep typing it until this fills up. Okay, and one last time. As you can see, we reached 100%. So now you can exit out of this. I will gladly do it. Go back to Please Donate. And now if we've done this correctly, we should be able to claim the stand. So I'm going to show you in a second. Just wait for it to load up. I'm gonna claim a random stand right here, and if we click on edit and we click on the cogwheel, if we use our mouse scroll wheel, as you can see we have the Make-A-Wish stand right here. So that is how you do it. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.